Hello, Namaste everyone. My name is Anjali Panchal and I am a student of IIT MBS just like you. If you are seeing my face for the very first time, consider subscribing because I make videos that make your BS degree easy and enjoyable. So, we have talked a lot about the qualifier phase, how to get into the degree, the eligibility criteria, admission process, and much more. But what about once you get admitted into the degree? You need to know the academic structure and how should you choose the courses wisely before the starting of the term. So, having said that, I'm starting a new series on the channel in which I'll be telling you about what is the academic structure of the levels of our degree, that is foundation, diploma, and degree level, and how should you choose the courses wisely, because it is said that course selection is like getting into a relationship. It is never perfect, but you need to work to make it perfect. So, in today's video, we'll be discussing about the academic structure of our diploma level, both the diploma in programming and diploma in data science, and what is the best subject combination that you can take up to complete your diplomas faster and in minimum time. So, without further ado, let's start the video. So, first of all, let's discuss about the academic structure of the diploma level. So, as you guys know, diploma level has two diplomas. One is diploma in programming, the other one is diploma in data science. Both of the diplomas have 6 theory courses and 2 projects each. All of the theory courses are of 4 credits each, except for system commands in diploma in programming and TDS, that is tools in data science, in diploma in data science. And the projects are of 2 credits each. So on the screen is a list of the subjects according to their hardness level and their category of the diploma. So for diploma in programming, DBMS is the easiest one and PDS is system command being the hardest one in the theory. MAD1 project lies in the medium range, whereas MAD2 project is the harder one. For data science, TDS, BDM, and BA are the easiest ones, MLP being the medium one, and MLF and MLT being the hardest one, as these have mathematical expressions in them. MLP project is the easiest, whereas BDM project is medium because you have to do a lot of documentation in this project. Otherwise, this is also considered very easy. Although MLF and MLT are the core requisites of each other, but I would suggest you not to take these together in the same term because MLT and MLF both require a good amount of practice to score good in the exams. MAD1 project and MAD1 theory are the prerequisites for MAD2 theory and MAD2 project. The subject combinations that I would suggest you not to take up in the same term is MLF and MLT, obviously, then Java and MAD2, because if you study JavaScript and Java together, you will be confused as hell. So better not to take up these courses together. Although the maximum number of terms given by IITM to complete both the diplomas is 12 terms, that means 4 years, but I would suggest you to complete both of your diplomas maximum in 7 terms and minimum in 4 terms. So on the screen you will be seeing a table in which there is a roadmap to complete both the diplomas in 4 terms, 5 terms, 6 terms and 7 terms. I completed both of my diplomas in 4 terms by taking 3 theory courses and 1 project each term. The term-wise combination for my diploma is PDSA, DBMS, MAD1 theory and MAD1 project in the first term, MLF, Java, MAD2 theory and MAD2 project in the second term, BDM, TDS, MLT, BDM project in the third term, and MLP, System Commands, BA and MLP project in the last term. Recently, I got a comment asking me if I could change any of the combinations from the subjects that I did in my diploma level. What would it be? So, Indeed, it would be not taking Java and Mad2 together in the second term. Maybe I could have switched Java with TDS or maybe system commands. TDS would have been much better according to me because TDS is much easier than system command. So guys, these were some of my recommendations for you, the do's and don'ts of the course selection, the pairs that you should not choose together, the pair you can choose together. Apart from the course selection, I would like to tell you about an amazing platform that is Let's Learn. Let's Learn is an initiative by a student of our degree only where students teach students. And what is that? That means the topics and the subjects are taught by the students who have scored good previously in the subjects. So you guys can check out the Let's Learn's website to find some interesting courses for your diploma. And also, if you guys are interested to become a mentor or a TA on Let's Learn's platform, you guys can fill out their mentorship or the TA-ship form. Link for both of these along with the website link will be given in the description box. And guys, if you find any of the courses interesting to you that you want to enroll, you can use my coupon code Anjali to get 10% extra discount. So guys, that is it about today's video. I hope this video would have helped you to make up your mind about the subjects you want to register in the upcoming term. If you guys still have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll answer your doubts there. You can also connect with me on my socials. Link is given in the description box. And guys, I've made a WhatsApp channel as well. You can join the channel to get the announcement and the updates and some extra resources about our degree. And if you think this video was helpful to you, please like the video, subscribe to my channel because it keeps me motivated to make more such videos for you guys. And thank you for watching.